Dear students, welcome to the video lecture of the physical operation of the searching a string. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss how to search a string in a given set of string. So for this we have to get a two kind of input. One is a set of string, okay, that is should be entered by the user, that is stored in the matrix, that means a two-dimensional character array. Another one is a search string. Okay, the search string is stored in the one-dimensional character array. So we have to search the take the search string and compare the given set of strings in each row, and we have to print which row the string is occur. For example, if the search string is occur more than one row, okay, it is duplicated in the given set of strings, we have to print that also. We have to print what are the rows, okay, the search string belongs. So this is the input and output. Okay, so searching a string is our problem. So the first my input is a set of strings, I have to get it from the user. So in this video we are going to discuss about the physically how the search string operation is carried out. So next following video we are going to do a program for this. Okay, so here the set of strings are stored in the matrix. Matrix is a two-dimensional character array. Okay, we have to store the set of strings. Okay, consider a matrix. The matrix which is capable to store, okay, so this is row 0, row 1, row 2 and row 4. So this is column 0, column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 and column 5. Okay, the matrix is capable of storing, okay, 4 rows. That means actually 0 to 4. Okay, totally it is having a 4 rows, 0, 1, 0, 2. Okay, row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, and we will have a row 4. We will have a row 4. Okay, totally we are able to store 5 names. Okay, row 4. So columns, okay, up to 6 character can store. Okay, 0 to 5, 6 character it can store. Okay, so first I am entering a name. Okay, I am giving a name Balu. Balu. Okay, this end of the end of the string, the null character will automatically attached. That is a terminal symbol for a string. Okay, next I am giving a name Ram. Okay. Next my input is Arun. Arun. So next I am giving Karan. Karan. And my final input is Ram. Okay, so these are my input which is stored in the matrix. You have to declare a two-dimensional character array. Okay, so for assumption I am giving this, you will declare somewhat bigger array. For example, an array which can store 20 names. Okay, and with the columns of 30. That means okay, each string will have 30 characters. Okay, 30 characters and 30 columns. Okay, 20 rows and 30 columns you can declare. Okay, if you want to process 20 names maximum, that can have a 30, each name will have a 30 characters. Okay, here for understanding purpose I am putting an optimum array as a input. I am assuming an optimum array as a input. Okay, this is my input array. Okay, set of names. The set of names. Okay, so now next I have to get input string. My input string, search string, we can say this is a search string. So we ensure that, okay, while declaring an array, the number of columns in the set of strings, okay, that means a matrix, as well as the number of array size, okay, of the one-dimensional array. For search string you have to store it in the one-dimensional array. So this column size and this column size should be equal. Why I am telling that? For example, you are storing a maximum up to 30 character, give a search string also up to 30 character. Okay, detail I will discuss in programming. Okay, now my input is Ram. Okay, Ram is my input. Okay, this is column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 and column 5. Okay, this is a one-dimensional matrix. Okay, totally we have a, what is it? Okay, it contain a, so not we can say that exactly, we can say we can't say this is a column, we can say that size of the matrix. Okay, it's a one-dimensional matrix only. We can say that this is a size of the matrix. Okay, it will store only Okay, one element at a time. Okay, this is width. We can say this is width. Okay, that why I am telling, I am putting column means okay, the size of this search string and as well as the number of columns in the input matrix should be same. Okay, that is desirable. Okay, what I am doing, I am comparing. I am taking the search string, I am comparing with the row 0. Okay, Ram, I am comparing with Balu. So no match, absolutely no problem. So next I am comparing, this is my input. Okay, search string, this is a search string. Search string, this is my input. So next I am comparing with row 1. Okay, row 1. So this is my input. This is my input. Okay, row 1 match occurs. Then I have to print in my output. I have to print. Okay, the string. The search string is present in. Okay, when you're printing the rows, you have to think about it physically. Physically, if you take a matrix, we'll have a row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 and row 5 physically. But in C programming, the array starts from 0. Okay, that's why the 0th row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row we are telling. But when you are printing now, the user will assume and input in the form of matrix, and we can tell that you are getting a set of names. You have to tell it as a row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 and row 5. Okay, you have to tell it as a, if you tell it physically, it's very easy for the user to map it, okay, with your set of input. So I will tell you how to do that in programming, during programming, how we are going to do that. Okay, I will discuss in the programming next video. Okay, so which row it is? So physically we can say that this is row 1, this is row 2. Okay, the search string is present in row 2. Okay, next what will happen? Search string will compare with the next string. Okay, Arun. So there is no match. Next the search string is compared with, okay, the current, no match. Next the search string is compared with, okay, next string, that is Ram, match occurs. So we have a match. Okay, which row it is? Actually matrix is 0 to 4, 4th row. Okay, but physically we can say start from 1, it is 5th row. Then we have to repeat the search string. Your output should show the search string. The search string is present in row 5. Okay, so in this way we have to print the output. This is the physical operation of how to search a string in a given set of string. Okay, in the next video we are going to discuss about, okay, how to do programming, okay, for this problem. Okay, that's it for this video lecture. Thanks for watching it.